Mahalo. I'm Captain Seasoning, taking you on the 7 Seas of flavor. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make some lovely quarantine drinks that have alcohol in them. You're going to take your favorite gin. You can take any booze actually for this. You could put anything in there. Vodka, tequila, gin, anything will work with this recipe. So I got my gin, I got my Hendrick's gin. You can see it there. Then you take your glass full of ice. It doesn't have ice in it right now, but when you cut to the other angle, you see there, it's got ice in it. Then I got my can of San Pellegrino. I don't know if you can get a shot of that there. I like the lemon, but you can explore with orange, blood orange, ruby red. And that's it. You take your gin and you pour it into the glass. Give a liberal pour. We're in a quarantine. It's okay. You're home already. Nothing can happen. So what you're going to do is you're going to pour it in there and just fill to the top. And you're done. You've got a perfect, refreshing quarantine cocktail. Mahalo.